Manipur Petroleum Transporters and Drivers na chathariba strike kamari laina Home Department amadi Caf&Pd official singa wari sanaduna waroi sinama purakna bahotnari petrol diesel amadi LPG gi sufficient stock lairi miyamna pakhatpiganu haina Caf&Pd department ki maikai dagi thamlakle nitai pachu thekta leiba DIPR gi auditorium de pangthokpa mid the press ki thoramda department asigi director yumnam Nelson makhatana hojik strike asiga mari laina transporter amadi driver Union Singawari Sanaduna, Watok Asi Matang the Warusin Purakna Bahotnari, Atuba Matamda Warusin Malaglagani Haibagi Tajabalay Haike, State Asigi Oina, Kerosene Gistok Numit Contrataret Nigi Lady, Petrol Gina Numit Mapani, LPG Gina Numit Nipani, Aduga Diesel Gina Numit Kunmangani Gistok Lady, Masigi Matakta, Petrolama de Diesel Puduna Lakpa Truck Nifumari, Lambi the Lady, Jeribam the Su Truck, Humfutara Mari Infal the Laknaba Lady, Hydrakle, State Asida, Mapal the Cheng Pusilakpagi Chang Hantanabagi Matangda Director Asina Fongdorakpada Department Asina SASCI project ki Makhada Pungamada Cheng metric ton Mari Takpangamba rice mill Masabagi Tabag Chada Marfutara Nipangi Chang the Loisilakle rice mill se commission Taubaga Department local Cheng Losenduna Lomi Singi Senmitlon Fagarhan Badan Natana State Asigi long term food security the Chow Namating Oiragani Haike Navsa scheme gi Makhada so scheme asi Hena Mapung Fana Amadi effective Oina Pangtok Naba Department na EPOS Aduna fair price shop automation tauba one nation one ration card supply chain management computerized tauba vehicle location tracking system taunabagi Taurang Lady Haina Director Sin Thamlakle Loyana State Asil Lady by LPG consumer Singna Augustara Manga Faubugi Manung the EKYC Taubiyo Natrabadi connection Kaklagani Haina so Miamda Kangalakle
One nation, one ration card. Sima isu koi taunaba yang kana tauri. Aduka supply chain management ko computerization. Aitare anna chakra aitare ko sima khasida supply chain je manage taunaba tauri. Aduka route optimization aitare ko koi anna chakra app se da tauruka. Koi World Food Program khada tauruka koi most efficient and most effective transportation route se. Sijo koi hudona ba tauri. Aduka vehicle location checking system VLTSI je. Sijo koi GPS tauba based checking of vehicles ko. FCI digi state warehouse da APS da transport taugi keno checking taunaba aduka Suama kana in the government makada si tauri haitare real time monitoring taunaba koi vehicle movement se aduga adherence to designated routes and prevention of diversion of food grains si tauri haitare aduga koi gi cement saragadi 100 automation of all koi fair price shops se Manipur da 2532 APS shops lay aduga si auto 100% automate taure aduga Aadhaar seeding se 99.70% ni aduga Aadhaar linkage of beneficiaries na 99.60% akoi storage capacity na 20,600 metric ton aduga monthly napsai location se 11,155.70 metric ton. EKYC completion 58 tangari ko.